Ciao everybody, welcome to Sale Pepe at home where you get to make all your favorite dishes in the comfort of your own kitchen.
Fine. Today we're gonna make one of our favorite fall dish, which is sweet potato gnocchi with butter, sage, and parmigiano. Easy to do it at home. It's very simple, but if you do right, wow.
Your simple is a lot different than our simple, and Michele is going to show us every step of the way how to make gnocchi with sweet potato in the butter and sage sauce. And you can also download the recipe as a PDF, as well as the ingredient list for everything here on the link below. And now it's time to cook.
Yeah, let's do it.
Sale Pepe is all about doing things to bridge our cultures. This dish bridges Maui with Italy using local sweet potatoes that are so beautiful this time of the year, and sage, and it's pairing that with the traditional Italian gnocchi.
Yeah.
Gnocchi means knuckle. It's the shape of your knuckle.
And this is the ingredient that we're gonna use. Sweet potato, the local sweet potato from Maui.
Why do you like them?
Because they're local. We want to go local as possible. 00 flour, sage.
I love this sage. So nice.
Butter, eggs, salt and pepper. That's it. And extra virgin olive oil, of course. Olive oil is just the last part. It is with butter and sage. I always like to use a little bit extra virgin olive oil when we finish saute the product. And any extra virgin olive oil will do the work.
Michele, we have 00 flour. What do people do if they don't have 00 flour?
You can use all-purpose flour. Any all-purpose flour will be just fine.
All-purple flour?
All-purpose?
Yeah.
All-purpose.
Tools that we're using, Michele. We're using our hands.
Everything hands,
We
a
have
spatula.
we have a little spatula. Michele is very fond of painting spatulas for pizza dough, and for this dish at home, I probably would go for a knife, a regular butter knife. Some recipes call for a ricer, but if you were saying that because
Sweet potato don't need a ricer, yeah.
yeah. Do they need this?
Yes. For rolling the gnocchi to make the nice line on the gnocchi, they look beautiful. But you can also roll them and they'll be just okay. So it's up to you.
If you would like our full supply list, including preferred tools, flour, and olive oil, you can grab that in the link in our descriptions as well. The first step is baking it, right? We're using our pizza oven here. I'm sure you don't have this at home. So Michele, what temperature and how long should people cook one sweet potato for this recipe?
Probably 380 for like 45 minutes to 1 hour till they're nice and soft. Wow. Beautiful.
Whew.
Yeah, just make sure they're nice and soft, yeah? You can press it down and you see it's super soft. Beautiful.
The first step is baking it, right?
Yeah, then you're gonna peel the potato.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
Is there any trick for peeling? Cutting it or?
It should be coming right out, but you can use a knife for faster. But the peel should be coming right out, just like that.
Okay. Easy. A little bit messy. Just using a fork to mash it.
Yeah, because it's super soft.
Super soft. That's where cooking it for that 45 minutes comes in handy, because it's already there. What do you do now?
Make sure it's squeezed.
Oh gosh, it smells so good. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, just make sure everything is squeezed. There is no big pieces. Like this. This is good. That's it.
1 egg, 1 sweet potato.
1 egg. We put in a cup of flour.
1 egg, 1 cup, 1 potato. How simple is that, guys? Do you do nutmeg inside?
You can put nutmeg. You can put salt and pepper. That's it. And then you can just start to mix it up little by little.
This is the messy part. It's all downhill from here, guys. Be prepared.
You can do it in your table at home.
Yeah.
And then you can add flour also as needed.
What's the consistency you're going for?
You don't wanna mix it too much. Then you can start to put a little flour here on the table.
Metti un po' per me. Okay. Grazie.
Like
You might want to take your rings off at this point. Now,
you can add a little more flour.
definitely feels wet. You want to make it feel like pasta dough, right, honey?
Yeah. And just go mix it up a little bit. So you don't want to mix it too much. Just enough.
Yeah, mine is really wet.
Yeah, you can add it. Yeah, it's okay. Don't mix it too much.
Okay. And by mixing, we're folding, right?
Yeah, fold them a little bit.
Folding every time. Pat and fold. It's starting to feel a little better. Pat and fold. It's coming together. When it sticks to the bottom of the table, that's a sign for more flour.
Okay, there you go. When it's like that, just gonna roll a little bit.
It's a little bit wet. Can you feel mine?
This is good. Okay, put a little more flour. Just to mix it much. That's it.
Thank you.
Welcome. I'm gonna get a little plastic wrap. You're gonna wrap them and let it cool down. Let it cool down in the refrigerator, let it cool down a little bit, let it set.
Take your flour and run it through, and everything falls. Straight from Nona. Take the flour and rub. Use it like a soap. That's how you get the dough off your hands. Over and over again. Clean as a whistle. See? And then it makes it easier to clean up later too.
Okay, now that our dough should be set, and we can try to roll them up. Check it out. This couple of pieces. There should be some flour.
Dusted table.
Now I'm gonna just roll them up. About this big. See? You can actually do all of them, so they're ready to go.
I am old school. I'm not as good as him, so I do it this way, and he rolls it on the table. I never could do it like that. I do it this way. Can you feel mine? Is it too chubby?
You want it to make
Let this be a lesson for you all.
not chubby, but you want it to be nice and round. You know?
So, yeah. Is that like an inch? Is that like 2 inches?
That's up to you, how big you want them. You don't want them too small, you don't want them too big.
Okay, I'm doing it your way. See you guys learning with me?
See?
Softer, not harder, he said.
Not too hard, otherwise you're gonna squish
Is this
them.
one too skinny now?
You want it to be even. You want it to be all even. Voila. And then you have all rolled them up. You can use a knife or a spatula.
How big are those little chunks?
Make it too big, but it's up to you how you like it.
They
Make
look
sure-
like little pillows.
Make sure you have some flour.
This is a fun thing to do with kids at home. Holiday weekend, you have 4 days off, nothing to do with the
Okay.
kids. This is a really cool dish to do with the
You're
kids.
gonna hold them.
Okay, then I'm gonna help you.
First, roll
Like
them
this?
up. Yeah.
I think a lot of people think after you cut it, you just do the fork part, but This is the normal way to do it, right?
That's the way I do it.
It's kind of meditative, like it's very relaxing.
Yeah, the flour.
Roll it over the fork.
Just to make the nice line. And again, you don't have to do this. This is just something that if you want them to look like
Authentic.
nicer. Now, just like that. You just squeeze them to the fork.
It is a way to get the sauce into the dumpling. We do it for the sauce. Saucy. We do it to stay saucy, guys. Stay saucy. It's amazing how much they thought about back in the day.
Yeah, just hold them. Yeah. Press a little bit for the super soft.
So how is this process different than the one we do for the Don't Call Me Alfredo gnocchi? Is it the same recipe? You're subbing the white potato for the
Same
sweet
recipe.
potato?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just your regular potato.
So
instead of
that's
sweet
cool,
potato.
guys. You can do an entirely different composition with just regular potato
It's
and like
gnocchi right here.
marinara.
Ready to go.
To the kitchen. Cooking time now?
Yeah.
What do we need?
Butter, sage, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper,
Okay.
and a little bit olive oil.
Are you boiling water?
Yeah. Water.
Simultaneous burners going.
Olive oil. Sage.
People at home don't usually, that's not what they think of for boiling water for pasta. They're thinking of that.
Yeah, regular pot of water, yes.
So what is this?
Flash boiling, just a minimal amount of water because he's just going to throw it in and take it out so fast. But at home, you would use a regular pot.
Yeah.
Sauce off the heat just now?
Yeah.
So you're melting the butter down until the point of,
Doesn't burn, yeah?
and then you're taking it right off.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay. It's not a brown butter sauce, guys. So now you're putting the heat back on low on the sauce and just doing what?
And saute with the butter and sage. Put some salt and pepper.
See all those little ridges getting all the good sauce in it?
Then you put your Parmesan cheese. That's it.
Sweet potato gnocchi with butter and sage.
There you go. Voila. Alright, let me put some fresh pepper. I love fresh pepper. Wow. That's it. This is gnocchi right here. Super, super simple, as you see. That was fun.
You guys, it's really fun. The hardest part is rolling those little rollies, but it's really a fast, healthy, quick dish that you can make using very simple things that you have all around your house,
Yeah.
especially at this time of the year. So we used half the dough, so this is enough for two with the one potato that we use. This is only half of the dough that we made. So
Yeah.
one potato can give you 4 servings.
Andiamo?
Andiamo.
You can always use more cheese too if you like it. Should we put more cheese and
So
pepper?
good. We hope you guys had as much fun as we did. This is a really fun, simple dish to make at home. And if you want to make this in your own kitchen, please download the recipe PDF. And don't forget to tag us at Sale Pepe Maui so that we can see the gnocchi you make in your kitchen. If you loved our first episode of Sale Pepe at Home, please check us out in December where we have something really fun and festive prepared to share with you guys.
And if you don't want to do it at home, just come to Sale Pepe. Ciao.